Figma Prototype. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in figma.com. On the homepage, click Get Started for free. Enter your email address. Then click the Continue with Email button to proceed. After logging in, click the Design tab at the top of the screen to open the workspace. In the workspace, use any template you prefer. For this example, use an existing template. Next, select the element you want to make interactive. Then, click the prototype icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Hold and click the plus button on the trigger, then drag it to the next frame you want to connect. Now, set your interaction. Choose the trigger you want for moving to the next frame. In this example, use the on-click trigger. Then, select the animation style that fits your website transition. After setting up the interaction, click the flow label on your frame. Go to the top right of the screen and click the play icon to preview your prototype. To restart from the beginning, press the R key on your keyboard.